No.
All right, starting with the red. The red is squaring both sides. How do we say that? We've got square root that has x under it. There is some x there. Look at the blue. The blue, you've got that cube root, but under it is just a number. So it's not squaring both sides. This one is square root. There is a letter under it. So it's squaring both sides, the red one. The first thing I said the square root must be alone on its own. So which means this, what's in the green box, must go to the left or must be on the right-hand side. I'm going to move the green to the left. So here we go. I'm left with x minus 4. I've got x minus 4 equals 2. That square root, it goes with that 2. So it becomes positive 2. It's times the square root of x minus 1. There we go. And then the square root, it's standing on itself on the left-hand side. And then now we need to square both sides. We put the brackets on the entire left-hand side, entire right-hand side, and we do that. All right, this one on the left, you're going to have to do it twice. It's foiling. I'm still doing it again, writing 2 pairs of brackets. Next time, I'm not going to do it. All right, so last time I told you the 2 gets rid of the square root, correct?
Yeah, I remember.
But this 2 will affect that 2 as well. It will come here by that 2 as 2 squared, meaning this will become 4. So you write a 4, you still have times, the square root is gone, times x minus 1. So just open the bracket for that one and write x minus 1, like that. All right, so now we can foil this one. This one, I'm going to color code it. This one will times that one. So you've got x squared, and then this one must times that one. You've got minus 4x, and then this one must multiply that. You've got minus 4x, and then this one must multiply that. It's a plus 16. I color coded everything. And then the other side, the 4 must times the x. You've got 4x. You've got the 4 times the minus 1. It's minus 4. I'm no longer going to do this like this. I'm going to do it one time in my head. Here's how I do it in my head. I square the x, the first one. It becomes x squared. I take x times minus 4. It's minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 4x. But I double that. It's minus 8. 8x. Then I square the minus 4. It's positive 16. Without doing all of that. Did you see that? Yeah, but you next time myself, I'll do it like this. You do it like how I showed it step by step until you get used to it. All right?
Okay.
Yeah. So we can actually see this is x squared. So it will be x squared minus 4 minus 4. You've got minus 8x.
And then, of course,
I need to bring this one that side. So it's going to be minus 4x. I also need to bring the minus 4 that side. So it's going to be minus 4. Remember, there is a plus 16. It doesn't matter whether you put plus 16 first. Then everything equals to 0. And then we simplify. Now I've got x squared minus. This together is a negative 12x. And then plus the 12. These ones gives you a 12. You can use a calculator. All right,
Okay.
I'm slowing. Then I need to factorize or use the formula. You can use the formula.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
All right. So for me, we want two numbers. When you multiply them together. Oh, no. So something's wrong here. Let me see. Something is okay. It's minus 12. Wow. Wait a minute. Let me double check here.
No problem.
That is minus, that is positive 16. That is 4x. That is minus 4, which is right. Bring the minus 4x. 4, 3, so it's minus 12x. So it's right. It's minus 12x. It is right. Nothing wrong with this.
Yeah.
Bring this for that side. Yeah. This minus 4, it becomes a plus. Yeah. That's where we made a glitch here. So this one is 20. It's 20.
Yeah.
Now we can
Supposed to be
factorize.
add-on, yeah.
Yeah. Two numbers, when you multiply them together, you get a 20, but they give you 10. I mean 12. It's 10 and 2.
Yeah.
Right. And then last time I said when it says plus, plus means same signs, the middle one. So it's a minus and a minus. So now you end up with the first bracket. Now I showed you how to do it. I'm going to do it sharp. X minus 10, it now becomes plus 10. X equals to 10. Or the next one, it was minus 2. It becomes positive 2. X equals to 2. We good, right?
Yeah, got it. It's coming
But
back.
I said, when it comes to squaring both sides, you must always check your answer. You need to check it every time. Both of them might be a solution. Both of them might not be a solution. One might not be, one might be. So you need to check it against before you square. You put those power of 2 here. So we're going to take the first step, the red one there. Let's start with 10 and see if it works. If I put 10 here, right at the top, I've got 10 minus 4, which gives me 6. So I get 6 here on the other side. All right, so let's put 10 here. Under the square root, I've got 10 minus 1, which is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 times 2, it's 6. Yeah, it's right. So this first one works. So I'm going to mark and say that one is fine. But let's try the 2. When I try the 2, let's see what's going to happen. If I put 2 here, I've got 2 minus 4. I get minus 2. All right. I don't think it's going to work because if I put 2 here, I've got 2 minus 1. I get 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Look, the other one is a positive 2. The other one is a minus. They are not the same. They must be the same, even the sign. So this 2 is wrong. We put not equals to. That's what they'll put. They'll put not equals to, or they'll put not applicable or invalid. Are we good, my friend?
Yeah, I'm following.
All
Following.
right.
Following. If I have any problems, I'll ask you.